This dance is called Wild, West and Wicked. It's a 64 count, 2 wall, improve a level line dance with 3 tags and 1 restart. Starting on the right foot, you're going to stomp the right forward, and as you do so, turn your toes slightly inwards towards the left. You're then going to fan the toes out, in, out. Repeat with the left foot. So stomp the left forward, toes again slightly inwards towards the right, and then fan that toe out, in, out. That set of steps once more then, stomp and fans off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, fan, 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 stomp, fan, fan, fan. Into a modified K-step. So you're going to step that right diagonally forward to the right, touch the left beside the right and clap. Step the left back to where it came from, touch the right beside the left and clap. Right diagonally back to the right, touch the left beside the right and clap. Left back to where it came from, and this time, rather than touching, you're going to hitch the right and make quarter of a turn at the same time and clap. That set of steps once more then. K-step off on the right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, step, hitch. Add that to the top. Stomp and fan off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, fan, 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 stomp, fan, fan, fan. Step, touch, back, step, hitch. Vine to the right, step the right to the side, cross the left behind, right to the side, brush the left. Repeat going to the left. So we vine left, step the left to side, cross right behind, left to the side, brush that right. That set of steps once more then, vining off on the right. 7, 8, side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush. Add that to the top. Stomp and fan off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, fan, 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 stomp, fan, fan, fan. Step, touch, back, step, hitch. Side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush. You're then going to step the right step, small step to the side, hold, step the left, small step to the side, hold. Place your right hand on your right hip, place your left hand on your left hip. So you should actually have both hands on your hips. And then roll your hips anti-clockwise for 2 counts. So that set of steps once more then, off on that right. 7, 8, side, hold, hip, hip, roll. Let's add that to the top. Stomp and fan off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, fan, 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 stomp, fan, fan, fan. Step, touch, back, step, hitch. Side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush, side, hold, hip, hip, roll. That's your halfway point. So the second half of the dance starts with some back touches. So you're going to step the right, diagonally back to the right, touch the left beside the right and clap. Left diagonally back to the left, touch the right beside the left and clap. Right diagonally back to the right, left beside the right and clap. Left diagonally back to the left, right touches beside the left and clap. That set of steps once more then, back touch off on the right. 7, 8, back, touch, back, touch. You're then going into some slow shuffle steps, sometimes also called a shoop step. So So you're going to carry on facing forward, but these steps are going to be done into the diagonals. So you're going to step your right diagonally forward to the right, step the left beside the right, right diagonally forward to the right, brush that left. And then repeat, going to the left diagonal with the left foot. So the left goes diagonally forward, right beside the left, left diagonally forward, brush that right. So you stay facing 9 o'clock throughout those steps. Once more, shuffles off on that right. 7, 8, step, close, step, brush, step, close, step, brush. Let's add that to our halfway point. Back touches off on the right. 7, 8, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch, step, close, step, brush, step, close, step, brush. You're then going to add on a mambo step. So you're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight on that left, step the right back beside the left. Then hold. Into a left-footed coaster step. So you step back on the left, right beside left, step the left forward, then touch the right beside the left. That set of steps once more then. Mambo step off on the right. 7, 8, mambo, step, hold, coaster, step, touch. Let's add that to our halfway point. Back touches off on the right. 7, 8, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch. Step, close, step, brush, step, close, step, brush. Mambo, step, hold, coaster, step, touch. Add on a Monterey quarter turn. So you're going to point that right out to the side, make quarter turn right, you bring that right back beside the left, point the left to the side, step the left beside the right. You're then going to step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left, stomp the right beside the left, stomp the left in place. That set of steps once more then. Monterey off on that right. 7, 8, point, turn, point, close, step, pivot, stomp, stomp. Let's add that to our halfway point. Back touch off on the right. 7, 8, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch, step, close, step, brush, step, close, step, brush. Mambo, step, hold, coaster, step, touch, Monterey, turn, step, pivot, stomp, stomp. That's your two halves. Let's put them together. Stomp and fan off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, fan, 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 stomp, fan, fan, fan. Step, touch, back, touch, step, hitch. Side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush, side, hold, hip, hip, roll. Back, touch, back, touch, step, close, step, brush, step, close, step, brush. Mambo, step, hold, coaster, step, touch, Monterey, turn, step, pivot, stomp, stomp. So that is your dance, and not an and count in sight. Single count timing throughout. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall. We'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Stomp and fan off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, fan, 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 stomp, fan, fan, fan. Step, touch, back, step, hitch. Side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush, side, hold, hip, hip, roll. Back, touch, back, step, close, step, brush, step, close, step, brush. Mambo, step, hold, step, pivot, stomp, 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 fan, 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 stomp, fan, 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 step, touch, back, step, hitch, side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush, side, hold, side, hip, hip, roll, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch, step, close, step, brush, step, close, step, brush, mambo, step, coaster, step, touch, Monterey, turn, step, pivot, stomp, stomp. So hopefully you managed to follow that. I did miss out a couple of those holds as well, and just put a pause in there. So that's your dance. Now you have got 3 tags and 1 restart in the dance. Your first 2 tags are the same, and they are a rocking chair. Again, single count timing steps. They come at the end of walls 3 and 4. Wall 3 is our front wall. Take you up to the end of wall 3, add on the tag. Like I said, it is just a rocking chair. Rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, and restart the dance so you can see how it fits in. Stomp and fan off on the rights. 7, 8, so stomp, fan, 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 stomp, fan, 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 step, touch, back, step, hitch, side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush, side, hold, hip, hip, roll, back, touch, back, step, close, step, close, step, brush, mambo, step, hold, coaster, step, touch, Monterey, turn, step, pivot, stomp, stomp, tag, rocking, chair, restart, stomp, fan, 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 stomp, fan, 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 step, touch, back, step, hitch. So hopefully you can see how that first one fits in. Rocking chair, end of wall 3, exactly the same when you get to the end of wall 4. You then do a whole wall for wall 5. When you get to wall 6, you have a tag and a restart. So wall 6 will be your back wall. Your tag comes after you've done 28 counts. Your 28 counts will take you to 3 o'clock wall. You will just have done your side hold, side hold. You don't go into your hip, hip or your hip roll. You add on your tag instead. Your tag is a jazz box quarter turn with a step. So you cross the right over, back on the left, quarter turn to the right, step forward on the left. So 28 counts in wall 6. So let's have a go at wall 6. Take it up to 28 counts, add on that tag and restart. So again, your tag is just single count timing steps. Stomp and fan off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, fan, 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 stomp, fan, fan, fan. Step, touch, back, step, hitch, side, behind, side, brush, side, behind, side, brush, side, hold, tag, cross, back, turn, step, restart, stomp, fan, 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 stomp, fan, 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 step, touch, back, step, hitch. So hopefully you can see how they fit in. So your tags, end of walls 3 and 4, rocking chair, wall 6, 28 counts, do your tag, jazz box quarter turn with a step and restart. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough, your tag and your restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, bang, bang, bang. Stomp, bang, bang, bang. Step, touch, back touch, step, hip, side behind, side front, side behind, side right, side, hip, roll. Back touch, back touch, back touch, back touch. Step close, step front, step close, step front. Mambo, step, coaster, step touch, Monterey, turn, step, dig, stomp, 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 bang, 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 stomp, bang, bang, bang. Step touch, back touch, step, dig, side behind, side front, side behind, solid right, side, hip, roll. Back touch, back touch, back touch, back touch. Step close, step close, step close, step close. Mambo, step, coaster, step touch, Monterey, turn, step, dig, stomp, stomp, bang. Tag wall, big step, lines, side, back touch, shuffle, mambo, Monterey, tag, rocking chair, stomp back, big step, lines, next tag wall, side, back touch, shuffle, mambo, Monterey, tag, rocking chair, stomp back.
Brotherhood so tight, fast horses, quick hands, ready for a fight. White earth keep chasing, but we out of sight.
It's the tag me stop wall, side tag jazz, restart. Hope you managed that one.